here with Green Acres Mall. This is Macy's. Also, Coca-Cola Max 4. Machine. Now we got a new Coke and Dasani machines. That was a brand new. Rolling park over here around Popo at the end.
Yep, we parked down the other end, right?
Yep. Alright. Here's your course. That's $3.50.
$3.50 for Dasani water?
Yeah.
How much is smart water?
That's $3.50. Good, that's $3.50.
Water's $3.50?
Yep. That's $3.50.
What about vitamin water?
That's also $3.50.
$3.50, okay.
That's $3.50.
All right. So what about ginger ale?
That's ginger ale, $3.50.
$3.50. Coke?
That's $3.50. Good, that's $3.50.
What is that? Cherry Coke? How much is cherry Coke?
That's $3.50.
Fanta orange?
That's $3.50.
Pineapple?
That's $3.50.
Strawberry?
That's $28. All right.
How much is it? Oh, that's $3.50 too. That's number 28. And what do you got? Pink lemonade?
No, that's $3.50.
Dr. Pepper?
That's $3.50.
Diet Coke?
Now we got Taco Sprite.
Tropical Sprite. That's new, right?
Yeah. That's $36.
Minute Maid? Blue Raspberries? $3.50?
That's $3.50.
Yeah, sounds like they're all $3.50.
All right.
What about Powerade? Lemon lime Powerade? How much is that?
That's $3.50.
Everything's $3.50.
That's $3.50. 44. That's $3.50.
Yeah.
46. That's $3.50.
You know, a lot of $3.50s, but
That's $3.50. 48.
that's the last Powerade, right? How much is that?
That's $3.50.
How about Monster Energy drink?
That's $4.25.
$4.25. And what about Dunkin' Coffee?
$4.25. That's
$4.25. Yeah, it sounds like the bottom row is $4.25. Top shelf is bottom shelf.
And that's $4.25.
Okay.
That's all right.
All right, you gonna get something?
All right, we're gonna get something. All right. Make sure it's nice and flat. Flats.
And what kind of machine is this?
This is Dasani.
Yes, it is. What's that, 2?
That's wood.
Oh, only took 1 so far? That's 2. Don't like that one? Well, you gotta put more. It's only $3. It's $3.50, right?
I think it's wood. Yeah. It's
Water's only $3. Maybe another. All right, there you go. All right, is that it? Or are you gonna get more? Guess we're going for more. Want me to hold the water? It's $1. $4. What now? Fanta orange?
Yeah. Alright, so we'll do is we shook it up. Sure as you can drop it. Want the air out. After you drop the cans, go let sit. Sit up here.
Yeah. Cans you gotta let sit, right?
Good. This is a night video up here.
Yes, it's nighttime. Very cool.
Yep. And then
That's
we
it?
got Dunkin' Ice coffee. That's all vanilla.
Yep. Alright, what do you think? We're good?
That's Diet Coke. That's black colors.
Yeah, they add food dyes, right?
And Cherry Coke is black colors. This
Yeah.
is Dasani's always good.
Yeah, it's healthier,
Small
right?
waters, it's a healthy.
Yep.
And vitamin water, we got fruit juice.
Yep, they add fruit juice to vitamin water.
That's tropical mango. Also blueberry. We got fruit juice.
Yep.
And that's this high fructose corn syrup. We got high fructose corn syrup. We got lemonade, Coke, Cherry Coke, Fanta orange, Fanta pineapple, Fanta strawberry, Fanta blueberry, Sprite taco mix, Sprite. Got high fructose corn
Yeah,
syrup.
that's no good for you, right?
Yep.
Alright, we're out of here?
Yep. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching my videos. Glad you enjoyed.
Okay,
Have a
right.
nice video.
Okay, we're done?
Okay.